Where these snacks come from? Germany?
European, yeah. They're trash over there.
What's happening?
Say hi to you.
What's up?
Say hi, Mama.
Hi. It's my channel. What's your name?
Here's Auntie Hop. And then we back with another makeup channel.
Alright. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Mixed Beauty. I got my boyfriend, JR, here.
What's going on?
My sister, Danielle. What's up? And Harrison.
Yeah,
Today's video, we're going to be trying European snacks. Okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
Let's get started. Let's see what we got first.
Alright. I like chocolate.
Ain't no chocolate in here, crazy. I got these snacks off of Amazon. Oh, there is some chocolate in here, okay?
Yeah, it is.
Take them out the box so we can see.
Can I see? That's mine.
What? I can't even read it. You know
That's mine, Mama.
Choco Fredo.
Choco Fredo.
I like chocolate.
Got some candy. I don't know what it is. Mango.
It's mango, Mama.
Yeah, I like that.
Chocolate crispy cookies. I don't know what this is. What is this, baby?
Not at all. It look like it's hidden though.
Oh, this look like it's hitting right here.
What's that, a honey bun?
I don't know what it's called. Oh, I can't read this.
It's a
Tarts with mixed berry spread.
It's a cookie.
Another cookie. Harrison probably gonna like this one right here.
Yeah, I like
Hey,
that.
this is what they give you on the airplanes.
I thought that looked familiar. I thought that looked familiar. This junk say rum.
Yeah.
Rum. I don't know what that
Hey,
is.
I'm eating this. I know I like this.
I don't know what this is. Keks. Oh, croissant with croissant with. This is not Burger King.
Oh, it got it's filled.
Yeah, ooh, that's gonna be
Apricot.
nasty.
Nah, I'm straight.
I don't know what this is. Got Lady of Liberty on it. What's this right here? I don't know what none of
Some
this.
of them not about to eat. 'cause
Yes,
I don't
we
like
are.
bananas.
We about to eat all of this. Another little candy. You gotta get them to Harrison too. Yeah, like them. Oh, Beijing. Is it Beijing? Beijing waffle. Like, why you just do that? What was that? What was that you just threw?
That's candy in your teeth.
What was that you just threw? I ain't got no fucking candy in my tooth. Oh, fresh baked peanuts.
Hey, this junk hard.
Fresh baked peanuts. Okay. This like them vanilla wafers. That's what that is. That's what it is. And then we got another Lady Liberty.
This is my favorite.
So what? Well, we gonna say that for last then. All right.
I'm good right now.
This looks disgusting. So we gonna try this first.
Let me get these out of the way.
The croissant. It is filled.
I want no parts of that.
You got to.
I thought it was filled.
It is.
Where?
It's bubblegum,
Here.
Mama. It's bubblegum.
Man, get some.
I don't like how it smells. Oh, it feels
Yeah.
good.
Now can you eat some, Mama?
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is
Oh,
horrible.
maybe I'm overreacting.
I don't like
It
it.
tastes like a fig Newton. You gotta chew it up, actually.
I don't like this.
I like the bread. I don't like the filling.
Yeah, I like the bread. It's nasty. I'm about to throw up.
I don't want it.
You like it?
They're just hungry.
No, you just ate. What y'all want to try next? What y'all want to try next?
Alright, what my cookies? That's not for us to try.
No.
There goes number one of those.
Fresh baked peanuts.
They look like chips though.
I know. They look like chips. Look. Bruh, how are these fresh baked peanuts?
Let me see. Let me eat that junk.
Get in. Come try some, Harrison. Come try some, Harrison.
Hey, that junk hit. Hey, that junk hit.
It tastes like peanut butter.
I like that. You don't like it?
What you think?
It ain't sweet, but
I mean, it's peanuts.
That junk
It
hit.
tastes like peanut
It's
butter.
lemon, Mama.
All right. We got the tarts with mixed berry spread. This looks like it's gonna be good.
I don't even like sweet, so I don't know why she got me here eating all this.
Cause I said so.
I try everything but the sweet stuff.
We'll break it up. Break it up. Give you a little piece. Here. I don't like none of this.
Yeah, I ain't feeling that.
No, you try it. You didn't try it.
I did.
No, you didn't. That's not trying
Yes,
it.
it is.
Try it. Put it in your mouth.
Yeah, I don't like that. That's trash.
Nasty.
Where these snacks come from? Germany?
European, yeah. They're trash over there. Get this a banana. Oh, this is a banana.
It say banana. Banana.
I say, look at all this stuff in my braces. That do not say banana nana. No, crazy banana nuka. Bruh.
it smell like that.
Oh my
That's
god.
so ugly. Oh, that smell, man. I can't eat that.
I can smell it. My nose stopped up.
It's a banana. It's like a banana wrapped
It
up.
smell like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
You can't, baby.
I'm gonna pass on
You
that.
can't, baby. Babe, eat it. Eat it for real. Stop playing. I don't.
Oh no, sir.
It tastes like perfume. I don't like it.
I eat the chocolate. No,
It tastes like perfume.
That's-
Not like I've had perfume, but
that's gross.
it's like actually eat a little bit longer. Like that.
Tweaking.
Okay.
Eat the whole thing since you like it.
I don't like that much now.
It's like a wafer.
I'm gonna drink. Chase that down. Drink.
Eat some of these peanuts. These joints hit.
What you think, Daniel?
Hey, if y'all ever see these, go ahead and get them.
No.
You know, I gotta have my drink with me. What we trying next? That was horrible. Let's try these. I don't want that sweet right now. How you pronounce that? Pizzetti. Pizzetti. Is that?
I guess so.
I don't know. Enjoy 7 days a week. Tomato and olive, and it says something else that I don't know how to pronounce.
It may be hidden.
Yeah, this might be good. Oh. Just showing them what it look like. Yeah.
Oh, that's on a bread. This, I bet this good right here.
I can't even eat something like this in my braces. Don't taste like nothing.
Nothing at all. You need some soup with this.
Okay, number no soup. I taste it now. I taste it now. This tastes not that bad.
Yeah, don't taste like mine.
It'll taste good. Like once you'll get the taste. Yeah, you don't get it? I do. This is actually a good snack diet. A diet snack. I'm gonna take these to work. Ain't nobody gonna steal these off my desk.
Them joints finna expire.
What? Fast. April 22nd, 2020. What you think? Put your input in. You gotta talk. This is actually good. I like this.
It don't taste like that.
She said she don't think nothing. So none of this tastes like that.
This don't taste like nothing.
That's a waste of time trying to eat that.
Well,
No flavor.
I do taste flavor.
No.
I ain't get that thing you want.
I need some chili.
Next thing?
Get that cookie.
No.
That's the airport cookie. Them John's good. Hey, that's it right there.
Choco Frida. Bruh, what kind of piece is this?
What do you mean?
What is this? This my piece, bro? That's Danielle piece?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh yeah, that's it right there. Yep.
That's how you gonna do us, JR?
Yes, sir.
That's how you gonna do us? Thought we was family. Thought we was cool.
Airport cookies, man.
Oh yeah, that tastes good.
I've ate many of these in my days. All them flights back from North Carolina to Washington. Oh yeah, I got real acquainted with these.
Crazy. Choco Frida. Choco Frida. Okay.
Y'all real taste.
Man, I know what it tastes like. I'm having nothing on.
Yeah, that's not busting.
You Danielle probably never had none really.
That John hit.
Milk chocolate covered wafer with hazelnuts. Oh my god.
I'm snacking doing too much.
It's good.
Yeah, that is good.
That's the best snack out of all of these.
How you know? You didn't taste everything yet.
So I know.
It's hard for me to eat with these braces.
Yeah, I don't like this too much. It's alright.
I like this. Oh yeah. Let me get that back. I like that. I actually like this. I'm gonna save that for later. That's good. This
Danielle.
is mixed beauty approved.
Give me my cookie, Danielle.
What?
Give me my cookie.
You gave it to me.
You ain't eating that. Give me my cookie. She was not eating that.
I've seen it. She had it on the table.
I wasn't eating it. She gave me something else. I eat two things at a time.
Kex. I don't know what this is. I can't read one.
This is like Kit Kats on it.
Oots. They sell that brand in
Oots.
Food Line.
Oots. Where you see that? Bruh, where? Spell it out.
UTZ.
Oots. That's you.
Oh, for real?
No, Oots is old.
No, that's Oots.
No, it's not.
Oh, for real?
Why you making stuff up, man?
I'm not.
Oots. Oots is UTZ. Oots. Oots. That's all this where.
At Food Line, they got Oots chips. Look it up. Look it up. Dang, look it up on your phone right now.
She don't know how to spell Oots.
UTZ. Look it up.
That's not Oots.
Type in UTZ chips. They got some chips, sweet and hot, sweet and spicy.
Oh, that sounds good. It's too much chocolate. I like chocolate. Oh man.
You heard me. Hey, the little chips I'm talking about right there too. Thought I ain't know what I was talking about.
Milk chocolate not that bad though. I don't like the flavor. It tastes like it got banana in it. Babe. How you faking? What is,
Too sweet.
I like the chocolate. Chocolate tastes good. Did you eat that?
Yeah.
How'd that taste?
Yep.
Eat that, baby. My
Like Kit
hands.
Kat.
You gotta open it.
But I just looked at my hands stuck.
My hand hurt.
Girl, my hands stuck. Your hands hurt. What? You know what?
This is like Kit Kat, you know?
Oops, that.
You wild. That's trash.
Oops. Oops. I can't even break this half. It's like quarters. Thirds. Making a big old mess. These might be busting.
Hey, that junk hit.
Oh yeah. These are oh shit making a mess. We need vanilla wafers. These are good.
Yeah, that's good. I like that.
Oh yeah, I love that. Rum.
Read that label real quick. Maybe a disclaimer on there.
I can't read none of this. What you mean? You try to read it. Oops. Did you know?
I mean, I got common sense.
And I don't have common sense.
You clearly was reading a German joint.
Ain't no English on there. Where is it?
I just flipped it over to read it.
Where?
Look,
What it say? What it say?
ain't no disclaimer on it for no alcohol. Maybe I lied. It smell like straight rum.
They can't have this.
Oh, hell no. That's trash.
That definitely got alcohol in it.
That's definitely not a treat for me.
No treat for you, baby.
Overeat.
Ooh. What's this? I feel like I've seen these before. American brand. 2-pack crispy cookies.
Probably on the airplane.
Better no. Choco Lebanese.
Lebanese. Hey, I like that. That's quality.
Oh, John.
That's tough.
Yeah.
Man, you gotta know. You gotta get it close so they can see the brand on that child. You see that? That's a quality cookie right there.
Here's your piece.
I hope that's trash.
It is trash. I can't even eat this. This sounds so hard. There was like hard stuff over there. Come try this, Bubba. Actually, the sauce is good. Come try this.
Let's see.
Tell me if you like that.
Okay, babe, I'll be on my way. Ask me, can a homegirl come